What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video here on my weekend with Amy and Boomer and the puppies. And earlier I recorded a video on what my trade would be for the weekend, and I want to explain in now part 2 of where we're at in the trade. Alright, first off, you can see right here I'm in my trading view. There's a link down below. In the description, you can get 30 days free trial. But I seen this play coming up, and where I thought it was going to run pretty good, because I followed this support line, and I was right. I got in somewhere like right here, and when it fell, I followed the support line and just rode it on up. This was the purple line was where I bought in at 79.91 cents. Okay, and then I set up my profit loss box here. I showed y'all earlier on where I wanted to take profits and losses. And since the last time we talked, I've added the what percentage up. This line is a 2% up. This is 2.5%. 3.5%, 5% on up the chart. Alright, so where are we at right now, and why is this video going to be important? Well, and you'll notice that I've also added the indicator RSI to my chart. Okay, now, and this is my moving average right here, which I tell y'all, as long as we were above it, we're fine. We were watching everything, so we wasn't going to get out the play. Alright, and we're in the profit right now, about 1%. Not something to write home to mom about. But the point is this. I want you to think for a moment, because this is the learning moment, okay? A basketball. When they throw a basketball and it bounces, alright? And it loses its momentum and it doesn't bounce as high. And it loses its momentum and it doesn't bounce as high. Alright, until it eventually comes to a stop. Now, here's what we're experiencing right here. This is like a basketball. They threw it up, it bounced, it came up, but it didn't come up quite as high, and it fell down, and then it came up until, like the basketball, it's going to go to this line, and it's going to die. Alright? Now, the way people that show you technical analysis will do it is they will draw a trend line, and they'll say here and that line and that line, and they'll show you how the lines connect, okay, and into a falling wedge. But remember what I tell you, it's like a basket. You'll know this when you see it's like a basketball and it bounces up and comes down. Don't go as high and comes down, and don't go as high and comes down. You're getting closer to the end of the wedge. And now this particular investment, this crypto, has a decision to make. Does somebody come along and kick it? And when they kick it, it runs up? Or does it lay flat until it rolls into a fucking ditch and comes down here and sets off my alert for my sale? But right now, that's what's going on. TA people would draw this line and tell you that it's a falling wedge. Think of it like a basketball. Somebody throws it up and so forth. And right now is where what we call in Louisiana, and a lot of you farm people know, this is what we call the nut cutting time. Because just as it's entering the end of the wedge, down here my RSI is telling me it's about to cross over, and when it does, we're going to have a run up. So that's what I'm looking forward to. We'll see what happens in a little while. Love y'all. Be blessed. That's decentralized land, by the way. If you have TradingView, I can send you the link for this chart. Love you. Be blessed. See you in the next video.